everyone, let's try to create this presentation. If you like tutorials like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. You can find more videos like this in my channel. Okay, let's start. At first we need to create this for a slide, but I'm not going to create all of them because they are all the same. I'm going to create one of them. The text is just simple, and here we have a black button that has the fill black and 55% transparency, and this is a text and everything is okay. This is just a text, but the important thing is that we be in the first page. When we create this page, let's just create this page. When we are going to create this page, it's pretty simple how to create this. We create a new slide. I copy one of the circle. You can create a circle by pressing shift, then press Ctrl, select another one, and then align it here, and another one, and align it here. Okay, it's good. And then just select both of them and align them here. Now we have our shape, then just color them up and create these text and paste them here. This way we create the circles, we create them. I'm just going to use them because this way is faster, and I know your time is more valuable than you think. Let's just copy this thing we have here, paste it here. After we creating this shape, we must do something. What we are going to do, we are going to change the color of this thing to something I like, that means black, and this thing to white for contrast. Everything is looking great. Let's just create some shadows. I like them. The shadows are make everything look better. Let's go to shadows. We are going to write, let's say right down, top left, right, bottom right. Okay, we are going to use bottom up for this. Bottom up, we are going to use the shadow, this shadow, and we are going to use this shadow for this. Now we just simply select all of them, bring this thing to front, select all of them, copy this video and select all of them, and then simply align them middle and middle. Then set the transition here to morph. Now run it. Let's see how amazing this could look like. Every another page has the transition morph too. You see? It's pretty amazing how it's looked like. Now let's go and see how the transition has been created. We create the transition easily by doing what? For example, we want to create the first one transition. What we do, we press Ctrl and Shift, increase it in size, bring it to front, then just simply copy the text and paste it here, and also this circle and paste it here. Now when we run it, our slide has been created. Okay, if you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe, and ask me if you need anything in the comments. I make it in the summarized way, but I hope you understand everything. If you don't understand, you can ask me in the comments. I will tell you between 1 and 2 days. Have a nice time. Until then.